How to change your appearance fast. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Are you so used to your look and want to change it? Do you want a new you? Well, you've come to the right video. This video will tackle about how to glow up physically and change your appearance fast. Changing your appearance fast refers to a swift makeover aimed at changing how you present yourself physically. This can involve quick adjustments in clothing style, experimenting with new hairstyles or colors, adopting a skincare routine for a quick refresh, and applying makeup strategically to enhance facial features. The objective is to achieve a noticeable transformation, often for personal satisfaction, a boost in self-confidence, or to align with a desired aesthetic. While these changes focus on the external, it's important to complement them with a positive mindset and self-confidence, as true beauty radiates from both inner and outer part of oneself. This video includes body transformation, fashion style, hairstyle, and beauty tips. Let's start. Body transformation. While it's natural to want to see quick results when trying to change your body, it's important to approach any transformation in a healthy and sustainable way. Rapid changes, such as crash diets or extreme exercise routines, can be harmful and often lead to temporary results. Here are some tips for making positive changes to your body. Define your goals. Start by setting clear and realistic goals for your body transformation, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, improved body shape, or improved fitness. Having specific objectives will guide your efforts. Unrealistic expectations can lead to frustration and potentially unhealthy practices. Nutrition planning. Adopt a balanced and nutritious diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Pay attention to portion control to manage your calorie intake. Avoid fad diets or extreme restrictions. Combine cardio and strength training. Include both cardiovascular exercises like running, cycling, and swimming in your routine. This combination can help burn calories, build muscle, and improve overall fitness. Core and strength workouts. For improved body shape, focus on exercises that target the major muscle groups, especially the glutes, hips, thighs, and core. Squats, lunges, deadlifts, and hip thrusts can be effective for shaping the lower body. Incorporate core strengthening exercises to tone your waistline. Planks, Russian twists, and oblique exercises can help define and strengthen your core muscles. Consistency is key. Stick to your plan consistently. Results come from sustained effort over time rather than from quick fixes, but don't forget to allow your body to rest between intense workouts to prevent overtraining. Monitor progress. Keep track of your progress through measurements, photos, or a fitness journal. Adjust your plan based on your results and how your body is responding. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for overall health and can support weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness. Remember that everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to prioritize overall health and well-being over quick fixes or extreme measures. Fashion style. Changing your fashion style can be a fun and empowering process. Here are some steps you can follow to help you transition to a new fashion style. Self-reflection and inspiration. Begin by reflecting on what you want your style to convey. Consider your personality, interests, and lifestyle. Seek inspiration from various sources such as fashion magazines, blogs, social media or Pinterest, and even art and culture. Style definition and preferences. Clearly define your style goals. Are you aiming for a classic, bohemian, edgy, or casual look? Understand the aesthetics that appeal to you. Take note of color palettes, fabric textures, and garment silhouettes that you find attractive. Wardrobe evaluation. Assess your current wardrobe critically. Identify items that align with your desired style and those that do not. Declutter by removing pieces that no longer fit your vision. Consider donating or selling these items. Mood board creation. Develop a visual representation of your ideal style by creating a mood board. Use Pinterest or create a physical board with images that inspire you. Look for common themes, colors, and patterns in your mood board to guide your future clothing choices. Strategic shopping. Before heading to the stores, make a list of essential items needed to enhance your new style. This could include key pieces like a well-fitted blazer, statement shoes, or versatile tops. Focus on quality over quantity. Invest in pieces that align with your long-term style goals. Mixing and matching. Experiment with combining different pieces in your wardrobe to create new outfits. Don't be afraid to blend styles for a personalized and eclectic look. Feedback and adjustment. Seek feedback from friends, family, or even online fashion communities. Consider constructive criticism and use it to refine your evolving style. Be open to making adjustments based on feedback while staying true to your individuality. Confidence building. Wear your outfits with pride and embrace the uniqueness of your evolving fashion sense. Own your choices and exude confidence, as this will positively impact how others perceive your style. Hairstyle. Changing your hair can involve various methods, from simple alterations to more dramatic transformations. Here are several ways to change your hair. Haircut. Getting a haircut is one of the most common and straightforward ways to change your look. You can go for a trim, a completely new style, or experiment with layers, bangs, or a different length. Hair color change. Changing your hair color can involve subtle highlights, a complete color change, or anything in between. Choose a hair color that complements your skin tone and style. Decide whether to use a temporary, semi-permanent, or permanent dye. Hair extensions. If you want to add length or volume to your hair temporarily, consider hair extensions. These can be clip-ins, tape-ins, or sewn-in extensions. Choose the type of extensions that suit your preferences and lifestyle. For more permanent options, seek professional assistance for application and maintenance. Hairstyling transformation. Experimenting with different hairstyles, such as braids, curls, or straightening, can give your hair a new look without making permanent changes. Use heat protectant if using heat styling tools. Hair texture change, perms or relaxers. If you want to change your hair texture, consider getting a perm for curls or waves or a relaxer for straightening. Choose a professional stylist experienced in texture-changing treatments. Wigs or hairpieces. Wigs and hairpieces offer a temporary way to change your hair without making long-term commitments. They come in various styles, colors, and lengths. Make sure to learn how to properly secure and style the wig. Beauty tips. Skincare routine. Establish a consistent skincare routine that includes cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and sunscreen. Tailor products to your skin type and concerns. Teeth care. Invest in your smile. Practice good oral hygiene, consider teeth whitening, and address any dental concerns like teeth alignment for increased confidence. Learning makeup techniques. Experiment with makeup techniques. Learn how to enhance your features and create different looks that make you feel confident. Bold lips or eyes. Experiment with bold lips or eyes for special occasions. Bold makeup choices can add a touch of glamour and draw attention to specific features, creating a striking appearance. Groomed eyebrows. Keep your eyebrows well-groomed to frame your face. Well-defined eyebrows contribute to a polished and put-together look, emphasizing your eyes and facial structure. Lash extensions. Consider wearing fake lashes or eyelash extensions to make your eyes more awake. This can affect a changed face quickly. Moisturized lips. Apply a nourishing lip balm regularly to keep your lips hydrated and prevent dryness or chapping. Well-moisturized lips contribute to a softer and more inviting appearance. Nail care. Keep your nails clean, trimmed, and moisturized. Regular manicures and pedicures not only contribute to the health of your nails, but also add an element of elegance to your hands and feet. You can also try nail extensions with cute or elegant designs. Natural fragrance. Find a natural fragrance that resonates with your personality. Applying it to pulse points provides a long-lasting and personal scent. Jawline exercise. Incorporate jawline exercises into your routine to help tone and define this area. Targeted exercises contribute to a more sculpted and youthful appearance. And there we have it. Remember, change doesn't always mean a full-scale makeover or extreme haircuts. So go ahead, embrace your Cinderella moments because after all, everyone deserves to feel fabulous.